Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
Prabhupada, is the human form is insignificant compared to demigods?
Yes.
But still, it is very much desired, this human form of life, even by the demigods?
Yes, because very good chance of realizing God in the human form of life. Just like difference between Western countries and India. India, a very quick chance of realization of God. The atmosphere is so nice. So, this planet is good for God realization, and the best place is in India.
Are temples there considered to have the same atmosphere? To be
Oh, yes.
just as potent as the holy
You
places?
can create that potency anywhere within this planet.
Prabhupada, you were saying yesterday the rains, by the rains all good things come, and rains come because of good jagna. So in this planet everybody is meat eating. In this country everybody is performing sinful
Therefore it is
activities.
decreasing. The more you are becoming sinful, the rain will decrease.
So it is decreasing now.
Yeah. And at the end there will be no rain. Then this whole planet will be ablaze with fire. That is the beginning of destruction. Everything will die. All trees, plants, animals, everything will be made into ashes by the fire. And there will be rain, and the ashes will be melted, and the whole universe will be finished.
I read too, Srila Prabhupada, that in the time of Maharaj Yudhishthira, there was only rainfall in the night time. Is this true?
Night time?
Rain would fall in the night time, so
No.
it would rain.
Who said it night time?
It mentions in Krishna book that in the evening it would rain.
So as not to disturb the activity of the inhabitants through the
Yeah,
night time.
that is the way. If night time it rains and daytime there is sunshine, then the land becomes very fertile to produce. There is a common saying in Bengal, Dine jal rete tara, sei janme sukho dhara. If it rains heavily during daytime and at night you see the stars, then you should know there will be scarcity of rain. There will be scarcity of rain and scarcity of food grains. The best thing is, at night there must be heavy rain, and daytime there should be sunshine. Then the field will be very fertile.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna